Hi there, welcome back to the channel. I'm the GCSE science teacher, and in today's lesson, we'll be learning about power for GCSE physics. Content covered today includes a definition, the equations, and calculations, of course. So let's get started. First of all, a definition of power. So we've probably heard of power in lots of different examples, having the power, having willpower, being powerful. But in GCSE physics specifically, power is linked very much to energy. So, as a definition, an energy transfer of 1 joule per second is equal to a power of 1 watt. You might be wondering, okay, what does that mean? Well, power is defined as the rate at which energy is transferred or the rate at which work is done. Remember that work done is very much linked to energy, and power essentially is the rate at which that energy is transferred. So it's also linked to the amount of time. So let's have a look at this in an equation, and hopefully that will alleviate some of the confusion. So, the two power equations you will need to be aware of are as follows. Power, or P, is equal to energy, E, divided by T, time. Or we could substitute the E, or energy, for W, or work done. So remember that power is measured in watts, E, or energy, is measured in joules. It's the same for work done, and time is measured in seconds. So that you can see power is energy over time, and that's where the rate comes from. So power essentially is the amount of energy transferred per second. So let's add this to a example question. Calculate the power when a car does 3,000 joules of work in 40 seconds. Like I say, with any calculation you do in science, if you use a calculator, if you type it in there, you write it down as well. So always as well, underline, circle, highlight any key mathematical point in the question, like I've done here. So you then want to make sure you have written out your equation. So power is equal to work done divided by time. We put the numbers in, 3,000 joules divided by 40 seconds, and we get an answer of 75 watts. Don't forget to make sure your answer is clear in the answer box if there is one. You can also underline it as well. That can help the examiner see you're working clearly. So here's a question for yourself. Please have a go and write your answer down in the comments. That'd be great to see what you get. The question is, calculate the power when a horse pulls a cart for 62 seconds and performs 4,600 joules of energy or work. Like I say, comment below. I hope that was a quick, helpful bit of revision for you. Remember, you can find more GCSE physics, chemistry, and also biology resources on my Instagram and my TikTok, but also here on YouTube as well. I've been the GCSE science teacher, and you have been curious. Like I say, if you do want to, feel free, comment down below, subscribe, share this with someone you think would find it useful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.